Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
Hey Febem, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is MsTopacJay. So I'm coming to you live and direct in a ratchet shirt that I made DIY socks out of, but I wear it to bed anyway because, you know, nobody cares. And I'm here braless because nobody cares, okay? So I need to do my makeup. I'm going to school. I just woke up. I've already washed my face. So I thought, let's just film this. Let's do a quick transformation video, okay? Let's get straight into it.
Pray for me, Madura, for me. Pray I find my way.
So I've already done my skincare, you know, by using the hyaluronic acid, and I'm going to use the Ordinary Moisturiser. The acid is by the Ordinary as well. Now I'm going in with this go-to body oil, and I'm just going to rub my body with it. I just got sent this and I have been liking it. It's literally oil in a tube, and look at that glow on the chest area. Oh my gosh, look at the body. Oh, I'm even sure you shoulder, girl. Ooh. Now I moisturize my lips with my purple ointment. Now for the brows, I'm going to be using a Benefit KaBrow Gel in the shade 5, and I'm just outlining, and I'm going to shade it when I'm done with my makeup. I wanted to do it this way so that I don't have to clean it up too much later on. Then I'm going to use the Hourglass foundation stick. I'm going to put the shade down below. I've already forgotten, and I use this to clean my brows, and I'm also going to use this to color correct. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my sunscreen and wait 5 minutes, and then go in with primer. This is the Rimmel London Fix and Perfect primer. Now I'm using the Hourglass foundation stick to color correct, and then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out using a foundation brush. So for foundation, I'm mixing the Huda Beauty foundation and the Revolution Pro foundation together. I just like the consistency of both. I tried it the other day. I was like, oh, that's actually really nice. I blended it out using a brush, and then I finished it off using a beauty blender. For concealer, I also combined Revolution Pro concealer and the Colourpop concealer together. For contour, I used the Ben9 banana powder and just use that to contour before I finish blending my concealer, so that way I can have a more seamless finish. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer using the Ben9 banana powder. The one that I used to contour is in the shade Dark Cocoa. Is it Dark Cocoa? Yes, it is. Then I'm cutting my cheek a bit using the Ben9 banana powder again, and also my nose because we need it snatched. And I'm also contouring with the Ben9 Dark Cocoa powder again, you know, contouring my nose. And I'm actually going to use this shade on my crease, you know, basically on my lid, but mainly in my crease, just as an eyeshadow, just to give my eye a little bit of a definition, you know. This is just nice and simple, you know. When you just want to do something very simple, you don't have to go to the market and just stress yourself. Just grab your powder and chuck it on, and Bob's your uncle. And here is me showing you guys, like, for real, y'all can do anything you want with your bronzer, your contour, anything. Okay, now I'm using the Revolution Pro eyeliner, and I have decided I am not a big fan of the eyeliner at all, and that is that about that. I applied the Colourpop cream gel liner on my waterline, and I also went ahead and applied mascara using the W7 mascara. I should probably throw this thing out. And here's me attempting to apply mascara on my lower lash line. Girl, who you think you are? I ain't got nothing. I apply lashes, and then now I'm dusting off the powder off my face. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the MAC Studio Fix powder in shade NW45, and I'm also going to go ahead and apply e.l.f. blush palette in the shade Dark. After I've applied the Ben9 powder, the Dark Cocoa on my lower lash line, just as a more eye definition, you know. Now here's me, you know, filling in the brows using the Benefit KaBrow once again, and just fill it in. I just find it easier to do this, you know, especially when you're doing your brows. So much easier. And for highlight, I'm using a palette by Revolution Pro and grabbing that middle shade, and oh my gosh, I told y'all this was going to be my favorite, and I didn't lie to y'all. It really is right now, literally. Oh my lord, this one and that Jen Jenkins palette. Ooh, you're going to catch me bathing in this when I finally get a house that has a bath. Seriously. And also I like my nose. And my inner corner. Because of course, in that area, I'm trying to really do it right. So now for lipstick, I'm using a lipstick by Revolution Pro. All the names will be down below and the shade as well. The thing about these lipstick, if you watch my review on this, make sure you don't stack it on too much. Because when you do, it gets really crusty at the end of the day. It's just really ugly. You don't want it. Okay. So now, we're going to go ahead and get the hair, and bam. Hello. Well, that is it, babes. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. What do you think of the transformation? Y'all have already seen my transformation. You've seen what I look like without makeup, what I look like with makeup, so I'm sure this is not new to you guys. But I do appreciate you guys for watching this video, and thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't done so already, please take this opportunity to do so. And without further ado, as always, whatever doing to love yourself, and I'll see you babes in my very next video by God's grace. Bye.